Thanks for checking out the Town of Windsor's 7th Street Multimodal Corridor project video. This video is the first in a series that will be released during the course of the project. The 7th Street Multimodal Corridor project is a key recommendation out of the Transportation Master Plan. The Transportation Master Plan identified this corridor, the 7th Street corridor, as a top priority because of the current conditions that exist in the corridor around safety. If you would like to know more about the Transportation Master Plan, we've provided a link in the upper right-hand corner of this page. The mapping that can be found in the Transportation Master Plan shows that there are several intersections in the 7th Street corridor that have more than typical crashes when you compare them to intersections town-wide. In addition to safety, the community also identified the need to provide safe places for people to walk, to cycle, to scoot, and to use mobility devices in the 7th Street corridor. In addition to that, elements that really define the Windsor character in these corridors were also identified as a priority during the Transportation Master Plan. So this effort will work with the community to try to identify what is possible in the 7th Street corridor with the budgets that are available. A quick overview of the schedule. The project is launching right now in August, and we're doing our initial outreach to gain awareness of this effort. In September and October, we'll be working with the community virtually and through some mail-in information to identify planning designs. In November, we'll take that information that we receive from the community on the ideas and concepts and bring those forward to town board. Using town board's input, we'll begin to shortlist those down to a basic and an enhanced planning alternative. By the end of the year, we're hopeful that we have a basic and enhanced that everyone can agree on. And then in January and March, the design team will begin preliminary engineering. After preliminary engineering is completed and another round of input from the community and town board, we'll bring those ideas forth into further design. Ideally, we would like to be building the project in the summer of 2021. Thanks for checking out the video. We look forward to engaging with you and talking with you more about the project.